lovelies, welcome to Lovely Dolls and Toys. Today we'll be doing lovely hats for Barbie and her family. Here are the sizes that we need for the dolls. For Ken, we need to cut paper with size 11.5 by 6.5 centimeters. For Barbie and Skipper, we need 11 by 6 centimeters. For Chelsea and Stacie, 10.5 by 5.5 centimeters. And for the baby, 6.5 by 3.5 centimeters. You will need stretchy jersey fabric, paper, ruler, thread with needle, pom-poms, scissors and gel pen. We'll be doing Barbie hat, so we need to cut a paper 11 by 6 centimeters. Fold the fabric in half and place the paper on the folded side. Use a gel pen and trace it around the paper onto the fabric. Use scissors and cut exactly on the lines. Now we'll be using sewing machine or thread and needle. We will sew the top part half of a centimeter away from the edge, with the right side inside. I am using sewing machine and straight stitch. We've sewn the top part and now we have to turn it inside out. Now we will put thread through it. We will keep it on the upper part where are the stitches. And now we will fold it in half and sew it together, half of a centimeter from the edge. Keep the ends of the thread in the corners when stitching. I am again using sewing machine. So we've sewn it together and now we'll pull the strings and make a knot. And cut the thread. Now we will turn it on the right side and place the pom-pom on the top. Put the pom-pom knots inside the hat. We will pull it a little bit and now we will sew the pom-pom knots inside the hat. We will secure it with 2 knots. Cut the thread. We will turn it on the right side and we're finished. And now we will try the hat on the Barbie doll. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Your lovely dolls and toys. Bye!